make a tofu butter chicken, so there's no chicken, it's just a vegetarian dish. I like it because it's one of those things you can share with everyone, which is what we do with wine as well. We pick a wine that we think everyone will enjoy, so I picked a dish I thought everyone would enjoy. It's got a bit of spice to it, it's got a bit of sweet. There's some coconut milk, which brings out the sweetness, some tomato to add some acidity, and a lot of paprika and curry powder and even some chili powder in there to kind of help bring out the spice as well. So I thought it would pair really nicely with our Traveler's Riesling, the 2017, because it's done in a style where there's a little bit of extra sugar, not super sweet, but it helps kind of cut through some of that fat that's kind of all balances.
Trust your palate.